Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing poo and the necessary tools. Open Find the Poo and load the exact level where poo appears. Once done, pause the game or keep poo still so colors are consistent, and capture a screenshot or start screen recording to preserve the frame. Make sure your device has enough storage. Otherwise, export immediately. This prevents changes during editing and gives you a clean source image to apply color inversion precisely. Now you import the saved frame into an editor that supports invert or negative filters. You want to invert poo, not the whole scene. Use a selection tool, lasso, magic wand, or a layer mask to isolate poo precisely, then apply the invert filter to that selection. After inversion, adjust brightness and contrast to recover facial details and shadows, because simple inversion can flatten tones. Make sure edges are feathered slightly, so poo blends naturally with the unchanged background. To finish, export your edited poo as a PNG or the game's accepted format, and if applicable, replace the in-game asset or use the image for overlays and sharing. Then test it in context. Play the level briefly to check for visual artifacts, alignment, or unexpected transparency. If something looks wrong, revert to your backup, refine the selection edges, or reduce the invert intensity and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip: if outlines or shadows vanish, reapply a subtle contrast or dodge/burn to restore depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.